stop this truck. Here we go. Oh, this is heavy. And there, all stopped. They're not supposed to be in the boxes. Is someone in my truck? What? Someone is driving my truck and is doing my job wrong because someone took my truck. We will help you get your truck back. Whoever's in my truck, please step out of the vehicle. Oh look, there's Al.
Looks like he's making some deliveries.
Let's watch him.
Ah, hello Al. You must have the bananas for the monkeys I ordered. Hey, that's not a bunch of bananas. That's a recycling bin. Where are my bananas? Hey, Al, come back. Oh, sorry monkeys. No bananas for you today.
Al delivered the wrong thing. That's unlike him.
Oh, hi Al. You must be here to give me my new recycling bin. Bananas? I don't remember ordering any bananas. Thank you. Huh? Ah, monkeys! They must want the bananas!
Al got those deliveries muddled up. Oh dear. Well, I guess we all make the odd mistake. Oh, hello Al. I'm glad you're here. You must have the coal I need to move. No, that's not right. I can't move with diesel fuel. Hi Al, dropping off my diesel fuel, are you? Coal? I can't use coal. Oh, without the fuel, I can't move.
He got this delivery wrong too.
This is really unlike Al.
Oh, the new artifact for the museum is here. Be careful with it, Al. What? That's not the artifact. That's a bag of fruit.
Hello Al, do you have my candy ingredients? What's this? Even I can't make candy using this.
Al hasn't got a single delivery right today, but Al's usually brilliant at delivering things. Why, thank you, Chase. Al, how are you here and driving your truck? I'm not driving my truck. Fix-It Funling is repairing it for me. No, he isn't. Someone has taken it from him and is getting all of your deliveries wrong. What? Someone is driving my truck and is doing my job wrong? Can you not help me fix everything? Sure thing, Al. Marshall and Sky, you can help me re-deliver everything to the right people. And Wild and Leo, can you two stop whoever's taken Al's truck? Yes, Chase. Sorry, Safari Funling, there's been a bit of a mix-up. Can you come with me, please?
Calm down, monkeys.
I think this is for you, Recycling Funling.
Oh yes, there's my bin. Oh, and these are my bananas.
Don't worry Percy, I'll make this right. Here you go Diesel.
Ah, that's better. Thanks, Sky.
Now to give this to Percy. Here you go Percy.
Yes, cool. Thanks, Sky.
What shall I do?
Sorry, that isn't for you, Candy.
Where are my ingredients then?
Follow me. Here they are.
Eh? Oh, the new artifact.
And these are my ingredients. Thanks Marshall.
No problem. Right, now we just need to catch whoever's behind this. Phew, I've chased them around in a circle. They're coming your way, Leo. Okay, Wild, I can stop this truck. Here we go. Oh, this is heavy. And there, all stopped. Whoever's in my truck, please step out of the vehicle.
Oh, alright, it's me.
Fix it, Funling? But you were just meant to fix the truck, not drive it.
I know, but fixing it took longer than I thought, which meant all of the parcels on board would be late. So I tried to deliver them myself.
But you got them all wrong.
I know, I rushed it a bit. I wanted to make sure none of the deliveries were late. Sorry, Al.
That's okay, Fix It Funling. You meant well. Thanks for fixing my truck. But in the future, just leave the truck driving to me. Special delivery! What was that? That's my truck! Here's your parcel, but someone took my truck. We will help you get your truck back. Maybe the security camera saw what happened. Ah, the kitty crew were here. They probably took it. Let's find the kitty crew. There they are. Where did the fish go? Oh, not the kitty crew again. My fish! Did the kitty crew take Al's truck? No, but they've been taking my fish all day. So who took my truck? Let's get back to the Paw Patroller. Who would take your truck?
It could be Mayor Humdinger.
Or Sweetie. There was a gold crown in the truck. Let's go find them. Look over there. There's a dinosaur. And Sweetie. We need our Super Paws powers. That was handy. Let's charge up. Let's split up. Rocky, Marshall, Alan, Rubble, you stop the dinosaur. Zuma, Chase and Sky, you chase after Sweetie. Let's go! I'll chase after Sweetie.
I have an idea.
We got the crown.
So you took the truck. I did not. I saw the truck had crashed, so I borrowed the crown. I was going to give it back.
Let's fix the tree, then find the truck. How do we stop the dinosaur? Let's follow them. I see you've met Rory. Oh, that makes sense. Have you seen Al's truck? I can hear it. It's stuck over there. Let's go. There it is. I'll use my super strength. I can fix it. There we go. But who's inside? I can use my X-ray vision. It's Chickaletta. I'll rescue her. You found the truck. We got the crown back. Chickaletta took it. But how?
I know what happened. I was rescuing Chickaletta from the roof. I'll get you down. Where did she go?
That explains it. We solved the mystery of Owl's missing truck. Emergency! Emergency!
The kitty crew are ruining the party. We need the Paw Patrol team.
We're on it. Chase, Zuma, Rubble, let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Watch out! Where's our vehicles? All of your vehicles have mysteriously disappeared. But we need to help Mayor Goodway and the party. Let's go! We are here to help. Hey, it's my truck. The kittens are taking the presents. And the cake. I've got this. These cones should protect the presents.
They're taking the cake.
I'll use my winch. Got it!
Thanks, Pups.
So, the kitty crew must have taken our vehicles. That's why it's here.
They didn't. Your truck was already here.
So, we haven't solved the mystery of the missing vehicles. Help! I've crashed. I can hear Nate. He's crashed. We can help. I'll bring my truck back to the tower. Let's go. There's Nate. Help! I've crashed. I can help with my digger over there. Thanks, Pups. Why did you crash? I was going along when I saw somebody using the cloning machine. I wanted to have a better look. But I crashed. Maybe whoever used the cloning machine took your digger. Help! Sounds like Captain Turbot needs our help. Let's go! There he is! I'm stuck on this island, my boat is upside down, and there are sharks! There's your vehicle, Zuma! I'll save you! Thanks, Pups. Why were you stuck? Well, I was in my boat when suddenly Zuma's vehicle fell from the sky, capsizing my boat. A boat fell from the sky? Sky! It was Sky! Sky?
You called? Hello. I'm here. I'm Sky.
There are 4 Skies.
Yes, I cloned myself. It all started at the Paw Patrol tower. I went down the slide and bumped into your vehicles. This is too messy. I know, I'll clone myself and move them to be helpful. Chase will need his truck. Rubble will need his digger here. And Zuma's boat needs water. I'm sorry, I was trying to be helpful.
It was, but we needed the vehicles at the Paw Patrol tower.
That makes sense.
We've learnt a lesson here. We should be more tidy from now on. Okay, Sky, can you guess what's inside my mystery truck? There's something inside each of these boxes.
Are they supposed to be moving?
No, let's open them up. They're not supposed to be in the boxes. Is someone in my truck? Someone has taken my truck. Oh no! Now the animals have gone. I'll help. Let's work together and get all the animals back.
That was my burger! Where? A crocodile! The crocodile has eaten the chair!
There's the crocodile.
It's in the water.
I have an idea. Coral. Hello. Please could you rescue the alligator? Okay. Ta-da! Thanks, Coral.
Don't bite me, crocodile.
Let's find the baby dinosaur. Watch out!
Out of the way, dinosaur! That was close. There's the dinosaur!
We need to distract the big dinosaur.
I can help. Calm down, dinosaur.
Let's go!
There's the baby dragon.
I'll chase after it.
And I'll put the fire out. There we go. who took my truck? They had animals. I'm here for the baby dragon.
So did you take the truck?
No, the baby dragon was being delivered to me and Sparky.
It was me. I was trying to deliver the animals. Ooh, an empty truck. That will make it easy to deliver the animals. There we go. Time to start driving.
That's why the animals were in my truck. So where's the truck?
I have it here.
Yay! My truck!
Now we just need to deliver the baby dinosaur and the crocodile.